Salam. Today I'm going to teach you very important lessons, grammar basic distinction between the in which, to which, or at which. Basically, when we use them, what their functions, and after that we will do the remaining 10 questions. I will do for you 8, the remaining 2 questions. You fill it and put your comment on it. Okay, so ስለዚህ እኔ in which መቼ ነው የምንጠቀም? Basically in which ስንጠቀም እችን in which ስንጠቀም መቼ ነው የምንጠቀማቸው? in which ስንጠቀም we have to have something inside ውስጥ ሲሆን within something within of something we have to use in which to which ስንጠቀም something toward directions movement from one place to the other, by the way, plus one place to the other. At that time we use to which, at the name, at something specific place, a specific location, a specific time. So at that time we have to use these elements. Let's see a few examples and then we're gonna do it. In which, inside, as I mentioned for you, this is the box in which I keep my money. Look, this is the box in which, so something inside of something. The house in which I live it all. The house in which, the school in which I studied. So this is something inside of something. So when you came to which, toward directions, to that place or things, sentence. For example, this is the city to which I am traveling. Look, the city that I traveling. There is the movement. Look, there is the movement. If there is the movement, we're gonna use which. Okay, the other one, the address to which you should send the letter. Look, the address that I send, the letter that is written by me, and you're gonna send them somewhere else. So there is a movement. If there is a movement, I have to use on which. This is the person to which I gave the book. Look, this is the person that I gave. There is a movement for the person. This is a person to which I gave the book. Look, the person to which I gave the book. There is a movement from one body to the others. At that time, we have to use to which. The last one is at which. When you use at which, something specific time, specific place, specific locations. Look, this is the bus stop. Which place is something special bus stop. So at that time we have to use at which is the best appropriate things for this. At 5 p.m. Look, we know the time, exact time. So that is at that time የምንጠቀመው at which ነው የምንጠቀመው። በጣም look, this is the restaurant that we eat dinner. አይታችሁ የትኛው ሬስቶራንት ምግብ የበላንበት something specific place. At that place specifically we have to do something. At that time we have to use at ነው የምንጠቀመው። So we're gonna do this one. Still let's do together. ይሄን እንስራብረን። አንደኛ ጥያቄ ምን ይላል? This is the school that I graduated last year. This is the school that I graduated last year. So school ነው፣ school graduate ያደረኩበት school ነው። So ስለዚህ something in ነው፣ ውስጥ ነው፣ school ውስጥ ነው። ስለዚህ the answer goes to C ካላችሁ the best answer. The speed he was driving caused the accident. The speed that he was driving caused the accident. Look, እዚህ ላይ ማየት ያለብን the speed something limited speed. So speed at specific ነው. If something is specific, we have to use at. Something specific, we have to use at. This is the university that my mother was admitted. Look, the university, there is my mother is admitted but there is some movement አይደለ? There is a movement. movement ካለ something there is this is the university to which my admit ተደረገችበት። So there is a movement, we have to use to. Number 4, the hotel blank we stayed during our vacation was very expensive. Look, the hotel blank we stayed our vacation was very expensive. Look, which hotel? The hotel, which hotel exactly? They were expensive on about that specific hotel that is expensive. So at that time we use at here. Number 5, the bus stop dash I waiting morning near my house. The bus stop የትኛው? Something specific place. If it is specific, we have to use at which. We use at which. Thank you. Number six. This is the address that you do send to the letter. Look, there is the moment, there is the address, there is also sending. So there is some movement from one body to the other. At that time, we have to use to which እንጠቀማለን because there is a movement address አለ ሴንድ ማድረግበት አለ so there is some movement we have to use ምን አልኩ we have to use to እንጠቀማለን basically we use to. Number 7. Great. Number 7. The restaurant that we had dinner served delicious food. Which restaurant? The restaurant that we did. Okay, something specific. Which restaurant? Some delicious food at a specific. So something specific, we have to use at, which is the best answer. Great. Number 8. The company blank I apply for job reject my applications. Company dash I applied already. Look, company I applied. There is a movement from my applications toward that company. If there is a movement, we have to decide to which is the best answer. Number 9. 6 a.m. is the time that the bus departs. 6 a.m. the bus departs. Look, there is what? There is specification here. If there is specifications, the answer goes to at. Great. The answer goes to at. So the last questions I will leave for you. The drawer dash I keep my passport locked. The drawer dash I keep my passport locked. At which, to which, in which place. Just put this answer on your comment section. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channels. Thank you very much. This is Afro.